Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to present a comprehensive overview of the crucial legal frameworks that shape special and inclusive education in our country, focusing on the Republic Act number 7610, Special Protection Against Child Abuse and Exploitation, and Republic Act number 9344, Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act. These acts serve as the bedrock in our commitment to fostering a supportive and inclusive learning environment for all children. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learner will be able to identify the key provisions of Republic Act number 7610 and Republic Act number 9344. Develop strategies to ensure the integration and inclusion of children with special needs within the legal frameworks provided by Republic Act number 610 and Republic Act number 9344 through Think, Pair, Share activity. Foster a commitment in creating supportive educational environment and awareness towards the rights and protection of children with special needs that aligns with Republic Act number 7610 and Republic Act number 9344. Before we delve into the two Republic Act, let's discover first what is special and inclusive education. According to the UNESCO 1994, special and inclusive education refers to the provision of tailored support and accommodations to meet the diverse needs of students and with disabilities or special learning requirements within mainstream educational settings. Republic Act number 7610 is an act providing for stronger deterrence and special protection against child abuse, exploitation, and discrimination, and for other purposes. This act was approved on June 17, 1992. Who are considered as children? Children is the persons below 18 years old or those over but are unable to fully take care of themselves or protect themselves from abuse, neglect, cruelty, exploitation, or discrimination because of physical or mental disability or condition. What is rationale of Republic Act number 7610? To give protection to persons below 18 years of age or those over but are unable to fully take care of themselves from abuse, cruelty, and exploitation. The offenses against children under Republic Act number 7610: child prostitution and other sexual abuse, attempt to commit child prostitution, child trafficking, attempt to commit child trafficking, child for pornography and indecent show and publication. Duty of government workers to report. It shall be the duty of all teachers and administrators in public schools, probation officers, government lawyers, law enforcement officers, barangay officials, corrections officers, and other government officials and employees whose works involves dealing with children to report all incidents of possible child abuse to the department. Who may file a compliant, offended party, parents or guardians, ascendant or collateral relative within third degree of consanguinity, officer, social worker, or representative of a licensed child caring institution, officer or social worker of the DSWD, barangay chairman, or three concerned responsible citizens with the offense was committed. Public Act number 9344 or the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act was approved during the presidency of Gloria Macapagal Arroyo on April 28, 2006. What is the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act? This act establishing a comprehensive juvenile justice and welfare system, creating the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Council under the Department of the Justice appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes. Juvenile delinquency is a crime committed by youth who is under the age of 18 years old below. The main reason of this law is the protection of children and youth, physically, morally, spirituality, intellectual, and socially against any prejudicial act that may danger them, especially in terms of legal proceedings. Let's proceed now to the terms. Child refers to a person under the age of 18 years. Child at risk refers to a child who is vulnerable to and at risk of committing criminal offenses because of personal, family, and social circumstances. Child in conflict with the law refers to a child who is alleged as, accused of, or judged as having committed an offense under the Philippine laws. Diversion program refers to the program that the child in conflict with the law is required to undergo after he or she is found responsible for an offense without resorting to formal court proceedings. Intention program is a treatment method used by the mental health community and utilized in a number of ways to better the situation of individuals who have become dependent on various substances or activities. Status offenses are offenses that can be committed only by juveniles and would not be crimes if an adult engaged in the same conduct. Youth Detention Home. It is a child caring institution providing short term resident care for youthful offenders 9 to below 18 years of age who are awaiting court disposition of their cases or transferred to other agencies of jurisdiction. This is under the Presidential Decree 603. Youth Rehabilitation Center refers to a 24-hour residential care facility managed by the Department of Social Welfare and Development or the DSWD. LGUs, licensed and or accredited NGOs monitored by the DSWD, which provides care, treatment, and rehabilitation services for children in conflict with the law. Republic Act No. 7610, Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation and Discrimination Act. According to Santos 2018, this legal framework sets the foundation for creating an inclusive education environment that promotes the rights of children regardless of their abilities. Number 9344 Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act, as highlighted by Reyes 2020, it advocates for inclusive educational practices that cater to the diverse needs of children, fostering a more equitable learning environment. This brings me to the end of my discussion. Thank you for watching and have a nice day ahead.